Hey, Sean Nelson here with a closer look at some of our HMI. What I'm going to demonstrate now is how to get in and take a look at the water quality analysis that we have in our system. So if I go to View, go to Water Quality, what I'm going to get here is a trend that I can zoom in and out of up to 1 year of historical data. And what it's plotting in the case of this demonstration, the red line is the water temperature as we're emulsifying it or making our makeup coolant to the machines. We found that we just don't really want to get that water too cold, so we're going to monitor for that condition and then again send you out notifications and alerts if the water temperature were to change too much. But probably more importantly for the coolant that you're using is it was probably designed for a certain hardness of water. So we've got some sensors on our system that are continuously looking at the water as it's being used for each fill-up event in the machine. In this example, the customer is using very, very soft, very well-conditioned water, and it doesn't really have much hardness in it at all. So that blue line is on the very, very bottom of this graph here. But you can see some coolants are going to be okay operating in this range, some a little bit higher, etc. So you would reach out to your coolant vendor and say, hey, what can my coolant really stand up to as far as water hardness? You would configure this graph, and then you would get kind of a continuous, ongoing monitoring and history of the water that you're using with your coolant. Want to know more about our HMI? Take a look at some of these other videos in this HMI series.